At the age of 12, I was diagnosed with vitiligo. It was tough, a lot of teasing, a lot of lonely days, being called different names from a cow to a Dalmatian, and it really was difficult. My name is Anthony. I work at Sephora. I'm a district loss prevention manager. I've been with Sephora for 9 years. It's my happy place. When I got hired, I was immediately accepted. They welcomed me with open arms. No one ever saw me as being different. They've always, saw me as one of them, part of the team, part of the Sephora family. Sephora just really changed the way that I feel about myself. It's not what you look like on the outside, but it's what you have on the inside. I didn't have many relationships. I was the butt of all the jokes, so there wasn't too many girls who were interested in me. Me and Jessica met at Sephora about 8 years ago. She was a beauty advisor. I walked into the store and I saw Jessica for the first time, and I was smitten. I was like, wow, she's beautiful.
So when Anthony walked in, he was just a beautiful person when I met him. And once you get to know him, you'll know who Anthony really is. It was just something about him that drew me in. I never would have thought that we would have ended up here 8 years later, happily married with 2 kids.
Holidays for me is just spending time with family, being together, laughing, and just being thankful and grateful that, I have a family. The most important gift that I think someone's ever given me is, I'm gonna have to say Sephora. Growing up, throughout my life and always been treated different, it's a good feeling knowing that I can go somewhere and know that the people that are there treat me the same and that they love me. Sorry. Sephora gave me my wife that led to my 2 beautiful children. And so that's the best gift that I've ever received in life.